Hello Year 2! Today we are going to be reading a poem together all about recycling. Okay, let's go!
Let's recycle. Look around, there's so much plastic. Let's recycle, it's fantastic. Don't forget about paper and glass. Recycle together with your entire class. We'll make sure we never litter. Let's recycle, we're not quitters. When we place our rubbish in the right bin, both us and nature will clearly win. Thanks for keeping the environment healthy and clean. Recycling is fun and also quite green. This time it's your turn to read the poem. So I'm going to read a section at a time and then you can repeat it after me. And listen to the rhythm of my voice and see if you can copy it. Look around, there's so much plastic. Let's recycle, it's fantastic. Don't forget about paper and glass. Recycle together with your entire class. We'll make sure we never litter. Let's recycle, we're not quitters. When we place our rubbish in the right bin, both us and nature will clearly win. Thanks for keeping the environment healthy and clean. Recycling is fun and also quite green. Fantastic. Now have a go at pausing the video and reading the whole poem through on your own. Welcome back. Now we are going to look at this poem in a little bit more detail. So the first thing I want you to do is just have a look at the poem and see if there are any words that you don't know the meaning of. So if there are any words you think, oh, I don't know what that means, I would like you to find out the meaning. So you could look the words up in a dictionary, or you could ask an adult to help you search for the words on the internet. Okay, so pause the video and do that now. Welcome back. So now everybody should know what everything means in this poem. So we can move on now to thinking about the punctuation. So I would like you to look through this poem and see what punctuation you can spot. Off you go. The first piece of punctuation that I would like us to look at together are these. Now I'm sure lots of you can tell me what they are called. These are apostrophes. So they look a little bit like commas, but they are higher up in a word. Now these apostrophes are used in words which we call contractions, when you have two words that have been joined together to make one word. So what I would like you to do is look at all of these words with the apostrophes, these contraction words, and write down the two words that this contraction is short for. Off you go. Pause the video. Welcome back. Okay, let's see if your list is the same as my list. So let's is short for let us. Theirs is short for there is. Its is short for it is. Don't is short for do not. We'll is short for we will. And we're is short for we are. Okay, now I would like you to look at the punctuation at the end of every line. And you can see that this poem is split into sections, and every section has two lines. At the end of the first line there is a comma, and at the end of the second line there is a full stop. And this pattern continues throughout the whole poem. Now I would like you to look at the poem again and see if you can spot any rhyming words. Okay, so pause the video so you can read the poem and see what you can spot. Welcome back. Hopefully you will have found that there are rhyming words at the end of every line. So each little section has 2 lines and the last word in each of those lines rhymes. So we have plastic and fantastic, glass and class, litter and quitters, bin and win, and clean and green. Later in the week, you are going to be writing your own poem all about recycling. So today, to help you, you are going to think of your own rhyming words. So your first job is to think of some words that are linked to recycling or reducing or reusing or the environment, and put those in some circles on your page. Then think of some words that rhyme with that word, and those words don't have to be linked to recycling. So you can see my examples. I started with bin and I have rhymed it with tin, win, begin and chin. And I started with scrap, like scrap paper, and I have rhymed it with clap, strap, lap and nap. Okay, so that is your task for today, and make sure you keep those words because you will need them tomorrow. Good luck, bye!